I don't know where you are, if you're still here, but I hope you are. Thank you, Armando. Do I need love or money? I always love that question, honestly. If you were offered $1 million or true love, which would you choose? That's a hard one, right? I feel like that's a hard one. I don't know what I would choose. You'd take the money. Everybody just wants to take the money. Yeah, I know. Ugh. I hate that we need the money so bad. The thing is that, like, everybody says money doesn't buy happiness, but, like, yes, it does. Yes, it does. Money buys you the freedom and the peace of mind and the ability to allow yourself to be happy. Like, they say happiness is a choice. Well, you only get to have that choice if you have enough money to pay for your life. Otherwise, you're constantly stressing. When do you have time to be happy? When do you even have time to consider how you feel? Like, what? Yes, money makes me happier too. Yes, money makes things easier. Money gives you the option of freedom and the option of happiness and the options just of anything. God. You work too much to be stressed. Exactly. But you're working so much because you're struggling to pay your bills. Maybe not struggling, but you're like, you want to pay your bills. You want to save up for the future. If you weren't working so much, you could have some time to enjoy your life. That is the question, Vegas dude. Which would you choose? Money or love? So, like, how do you even get the chance to have love unless you're financially secure, at least? I don't know what that means. Oh, yeah. Foreigners definitely get stuck on the fact they think that America is New York City and Los Angeles, right? That's it. But, like, the America in between New York City and Los Angeles is wildly different. But that's just like what we put out there, right? Yeah, well, Naples isn't one of them. I feel like Naples is Beverly Hills. And there really aren't many places that you can live and work. You have to be able to work relatively close, right? There's not a lot of places like that in America anymore, truly. I mean, I came from Pittsburgh. And Pittsburgh used to be an affordable city. I think that it made like one of those like top 50 lists of like most affordable cities to live in America. It is not. I'm paying the same here in Southwest Florida as I was paying in Pittsburgh. There's a lot of comments here, but you sent me 2 dozen roses. I wish you could send me roses for real. And yeah, my gifting is suspended, so that's a bummer. That's a bummer. Armando sent me some cash on that app. Thank you so much. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, sure. Sure. In those countries. But as an American, how do you even feasibly make that happen? You know? I know that there's people that do, but it's not easy for everyone. That would be a great idea, but you don't have an address. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not going to give it out right here, you know? Maybe I could create a link, though. But my Amazon wish list is available, so it's not, fresh flowers, but there's a lot of things to choose from on my Amazon wish list that is linked in my bio. You're a 70s kid, and there's no reason things should cost as much. I swear to God. I swear. It's crazy. Right, Howie? Yeah, it's crazy. You're in Guadalajara, you left LA, but you run a business as a digital nomad. That's awesome. That is goals. That is awesome. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. I live in Southwest Florida. It's very stormy and rainy out today, so I'd normally be sitting outside on the porch having my coffee with you. That is my normal morning routine. I like to see whatever comes up in the chat. TikTok says you've interacted in the past. You don't remember when. I don't remember either. My gifting is suspended for 14 days. But I did put my various links in my bio. Amazon wishlist, Cash App, Venmo. As an alternative, if you wanted to support. You just left us in Florida. It's beautiful there. It's beautiful. The thing about Florida is it's really hard to avoid super touristy places, right? And I don't love that. Yeah, you can't send any gifts at all. It's so lame. So lame. I don't really meet up with people from here because you just never know. It takes a while to get to know people here and to be discerning to know if people have good intentions or not. There's a lot of crazy people out there. I shouldn't be watching Deadliest Influencer on HBO. I shouldn't be watching that because I feel like it's just stories of influencers who were, or who, I don't know, got caught up in the lifestyle in one way or another. Most of the stories, though, honestly, aren't because they were murdered by a stalker. Most of the stories are that they got caught up in drugs because of the money, which is a common story, not just amongst influencers. See, this is what I don't like. This kind of spamming the comments is very annoying and gets you immediately blocked. So, bye. The only way to directly message me is behind the paywall on the blue and white page. You're from Java. That's cool. Good morning. You will have to click the links today. I'm Angela Ray of Sunshine, everywhere you look for me. Good morning. The light is doing something crazy to my eyes today. What is that? I'm 44. I don't know what that means. They look green. They are green for sure. They're always green. They just look like grayish green or something. They look really light instead of like emerald. But it's the light because it's storming outside. And I have this filter light on. You can see it in the window. Good morning. Yeah, so my gifting is suspended for 14 days. So if you do want to support, I am Angela Ray of Sunshine everywhere you look for me. And my links are in my bio. The links are there. They'll yell at me for promoting, so. Good morning. Oh my. I hope you have a great day too, Michelle. Thanks for hanging out.